Today we're gonna make living fruit vinegar. Chop up all the old fruits that you have. Let's throw some pear in there without the sticker. Let's put them in here. This will be a pear, plum, apple vinegar. Everything goes in there. Now you just pour some water. Now every day give your vinegar a stir and put a cloth on it, and after a couple days it's going to be starting to bubble. I'm going to show you one that's bubbling now. You see them? Watch this. Every day I stir. This is a hawthorn vinegar with rose hips, and this one is now complete. We can see that there's pretty much no more bubbles and it smells quite acidic, and now it's ready to be bottled. And this, I'm just going to put a cloth on it. Now you don't need to do any stirring. Just leave it and the vinegar mother will grow all on her own. This is a result, very delicate hawthorn vinegar mother. So this is the finished vinegar. Now I'm just going to filter it into a narrow mouthed bottle, and that will settle and soon look like this.